I had just go to work at the National Weather Service and you get my job back. Oh, I just got here and I will try to fix my stomach so my stomach isn't sound good right now, but I'll try to fix it later this afternoon. So I can hear it better.
5 hours later.
Alrighty, I got this. Oh, I'm gonna fix my stomach with a toothpick for this. Ooh, you noisy one. I'm trying to fix you, so hold very still now. Ugh, ugh, ugh. Oh, come on. Hold still. Stop making too much noise, stomach. Hold still, please. Oh. Oh. Stomach, would you please stop it? Oh, okay, but I'm still trying to fix you. Hold still, now, please. Oh, come on, my, what, stomach? Would you please hold still a little bit? Uh, I think you growl a lot at me too much, and you're not holding still, so don't move. Stomach, I said, don't move. Oh, my stomach, stop it. I mean, now. Come on, hold still, please. Stomach? You're so funny, and you're finally fixed now.